out a little later than usual today because it had been raining all morning. Finally seems to have stopped, but turkey was out here waiting on me apparently. It might have just showed up, but it kind of seemed like it was out here waiting on me. You're a good bird. You're a good bird. Yes, you are. Came walking right over as soon as I put the food down. Didn't ya? You came walking right over as soon as you saw me putting the food down. You're a good bird. You're a good turkey. I feel like these birds have got to be. I mean, these ones that there's other turkeys that come that are less bold. I mean, I'm like 10 feet away from this bird, and it does not care. I feel like they got to be from the broods from last season, or possibly the hens. There were two hens that joined there. Well, one just had one chicken, one had three, and they joined together and raised them. And they came all the time, didn't you? Yeah.